ਸੋ ਇਸ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਨੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲ ਇਨਵਾਈਟ ਕੀਤਾ। ਆ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਲਿਥੁਆਨੀਆ ਦੀ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ IS ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਿਜ਼ਿਟ ਕੀਤਾ।
Everything goes through practice, and when we come to the companies for the internships, they already know what work looks like.
Okay. And what is the fee structure? Like tuition fees?
Yeah, so tuition fee for one semester is around 3,000 euros. Yeah. And of course, the students also can get a discount applying in early admission. Usually it's from November till May.
Okay.
And it's possible to get a discount starting from 10 up to 50%. But of course, it's only for brightest students who are applying from all over the world.
Nearly 3,000 euro
Semester, yes.
per
Per
semester.
year, it's 6,000.
6,000.
This is a standard price.
Okay.
And
And for
just
master?
the same price.
Okay, same price.
Yeah.
And there is any application fees?
Yes, of course, 100 euros.
100 euro. 100 euro.
Yeah, yeah. So a bachelor in
Or master,
English,
yes.
he can apply without any IELTS. But all bachelor students who are applying for the bachelor program must have IELTS, TOEFL, Cambridge, PTE, or they must pass ISM English test. It costs 120 euros, and it can be done any week the student wishes.
ਬਹੁਤ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਲੋਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਬਣੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਕਿ ਲਿਥੁਆਨੀਆ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ 올ਡ ਟਾਊਨ ਹੈ ਡਬਲ ਡਿਗਰੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ।
Yes, we have double degree with French university, with Norwegian university. Yeah.
If student complete their bachelor like 1.5 year, then they can study in other country.
Yeah, so students can study first year at ISM. On second year, they can already apply for the Erasmus program and go for one semester to spend to any European country. On third year, they can dedicate their time and they can go for double degree program to France or to Norway, because we have two partners, Catch Business School and Second University in France, the Norwegian Business School in Norway. And then
France,
on
Norway, Spain and UK.
No, France, Norway, that's
Okay.
it.
France,
Yeah.
Norway. Okay.
And France and Norway.
France, Norway.
Yeah,
And
so we can, if
they
you want,
don't
we
need
can
to pay a lot
remake
of
it.
fees. So same tuition fees there.
Yeah, so if they go to Catch Business School or in Second Universities in France, we continue paying our price. If they go to our founder, BI Norwegian Business School based in Norway, they pay during that year to BI Norwegian Business School with 10% discounted price.
Okay, thank you.
You will definitely need to structure this information, because this is really very important for you to understand. Yeah. At Illinois Institute of Technology. So you understand what 26 partners for exchange program.
Okay.
Exchange is exchange, double degree is double degree.
I'm sorry about that. Bye.
Hope to see you soon. Are you going to be our new students? Probably not. Are you going to study here?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, you are. Alright, see you soon.
Okay, bye. Bye.
Bye bye.
Very nice location, this top, This is the most central part of the city, near Cathedral Square, so it's really...
It's a central of the village.
Yes, it's like heart of the Vilnius. Yes, central, yeah.